First of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it. Click on the profile icon. Look at the right corner. Tap on T-line. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on account privacy. And now turn on to private account. Okay, now I'm taking this. So first I'm log out my account. First time log out my account and log in another account. Tap on search bar and finding my ID. This is my ID. And when click on following and follow, they're not showing follow and follow list because this account is private. That's how we can easily hide following and follow list.